Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write a hyperbolic function in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert or write hyperbolic function in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and insert new equation. Then go to the design menu. Click the blank equation box and click the function drop down menu. Then we can see here the hyperbolic function. Then we choose any function. Now I select the function. You can edit text, click the blank box and edit text. You can edit another function. Click again the function drop down menu, then choose another function. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.